discussion in prayer. Question do no mom pusang boy, and then na do nom jong le na do thei say no mom jong le say thei.
Palam no ke bovin ka dong ji na yong la ke pa amen guest speaker ho question dong nom dang jong ta lo ai lekin 1 minute answer nei pi du pha jong hi pung 2 hours lang anaval tan kam khat da ke no je taw tin lam kai ho jong na bui chi di hen ken kan say nom chu everything seems normal ai tan to ai situation hi idin mo hi number 1 na ani na a ikitu tu thei povin hizi ichun tu ni la guest speaker on 1 minute na nin don du diwa ka dei chu what is your advice to the people as well as the leaders ichilang manipur lang na nammi te ho lam kai ho hian lang mi pi ho hele ep advice na bol no mu ai lo wala ep message na sei pi no mu bam ti chu a chai na dingen 1 minute chi nen sei pi lo ke pa amente ke pa and first
one sentence aka say nom chu CSO lam kai ho le su lam kai ho ki ho to re ngai ge is group ne ki ho to masang sa I ma cha ki bol thei lo de ta kam
next P Florence.
Linda, do you want to go first? Let me think about this.
Well, knowing the people's mentality, they say that it's okay when Meitei attacks us, we'll be united again. So I think I will end with that because I'm not in a position to comment. We have Zoe United, we have ITLF, we have In Peace. I think they know what is the ground level, and I think it's best we follow and as an outsider or as a global citizen, I think it's our duty to uplift them, to cheer them, and as a good patriot, as a good, that's our duty. Respect what our leaders are deciding. And then our leaders must have transparency. That's it. Thank you.
I think what Linda said is really good. I think for the rest of us, I think let's trust each other. Let's just give trust. It's not always possible for leaders, especially, to be transparent. I can tell you that. And let's trust that we're all on the same side, and let's help each other in any way we can. And if you see something that is not being done by the leaders, don't complain. Just go and do it yourself. You are empowered to do it yourself. Thanks, Ang.